That looks so real.
It looks so real and it's so well done.
All the detail on that, yo, that's so cool. Just picture how you could eat that.
You could just pick it up and just eat it.
That doesn't look appropriate.
Sorry.
What we just did there. We're both like, you just eat it. You could though, literally. You just pick up that piece of cake. Like, you're not gonna sit there and like.
Is the little like can opening thing like edible?
Well, yeah, but I don't think it opens.
Well,
I don't know if they got it.
I'm gonna open it and eat it.
We gotta make this cake and have it open.
Yeah.
We're gonna one up them.
Ooh.
That looks so.
Ugh.
That looks gross cutting into it.
Yeah, you never cut a steak that way, firstly.
No. But that looks so good.
It looks so good, but this is giving me like, it's like triggering me because have you seen all the footage of like this steak that looks like, which is a steak but it's actually watermelon being cooked? And everyone thinks it's a steak, oh my god. It's really interesting.
The internet is a weird place. You know, this would be a fun prank. Like, tell your man you're gonna make him a steak dinner.
And it's cake.
And it's cake.
Could he even be mad? Because you still spent that much time putting an effort to make a cake.
Yeah, but like if a man's like expecting like a juicy steak for dinner and they get like a
juicy
Dollarama chocolate vanilla cake.
Oh damn.
That's unreal.
Did you see the petals moving even?
Yeah.
That was
whoa, that's unreal. I would rather have this than get flowers.
Yeah.
Flowers die. This fills my belly.
Yeah. This doesn't die. I love how they've like folded like that. I don't know how they get the textures
everything.
in. It's very impressive.
The rope, the pet, everything.
I love it.
If a guy handed me this as like flowers, I would marry them in a heartbeat.
I agree.
Maybe divorce later on, but like for sure marry.
We don't know yet.
What's going on, guys? I'm Josh Bernard.
I'm Eamon Hassan. Do stick around till the end for some bonus content and some bloopers. We got some new coming your way.
That's a shoe.
Converse.
That's crazy.
It's so like, I just am just in awe of how realistic they are.
That looks like a damn shoe. If I saw that on the floor, I would just kick it to the side.
Yeah, I'd feel so bad. I'd try it on and like shove my toes in it. And then whoever made it would be like, what are you doing?
Your
and I was like,
dirty toes in my cake.
I mean, if it's a shoe, I'm gonna put my foot in it, so.
So whose fault is it really?
Yeah, really.
No way. Damn. Okay, that looks kind of gross.
That looks really.
Ew. That looks gross. That don't look like no cake.
Like, what is the meat actually made out of?
Icing.
But it's so
and
realistic.
they probably like spray painted different colors so it looks like meat sauce. But it didn't look appetizing.
Like, I know this would be a very good cake. I just don't want to put it in my mouth.
It's impressive. But I don't want a piece.
It would confuse my brain because you think you're eating spaghetti and it's all like sweet.
And it's mushy. I don't like it. I really thought the plate was gonna be cake.
Yeah.
That would have been I'm impressed, but like.
These days you don't know what's cake and what's not.
I know.
I could be cake.
Are you? Can I shove my toes in?
Yeah.
Find out.
Okay.
That's good.
I like how they like hacked it like you would with wood.
The effects, you know?
Okay.
That's impressive. Look at that.
It looks like, it feels like a very dense cake.
It does.
Like when they hacked it, it didn't go that deep.
No,
like,
that was and then they had to like push with effort.
Like you.
Just like that. That's probably what their face looked like when they filmed
a lot of facial strain going on cutting this cake.
That's cute though, I like that. That's really impressive.
I like that too. But I don't know why you'd make wood into a cake. Like I don't want to have
what
a
if your
birthday with
husband
a
was
wood
a lumberjack?
Cake. Oh, true.
How cute.
True, I see
Or
it.
like at Christmas.
What, like a log?
A log. You know, they
Okay,
like
I
log
see.
cakes?
Yes.
This is like log cake to the max. That's cool.
That's also really satisfying.
That's really cool. Imagine all the time for all those little squares. Like that is like so symmetrical.
Oh my god, and it's colored inside. Honestly, I would have killed the person if they cut it like diagonally. I was like, there are lines.
Yeah.
Just cut on the lines. Thank you for that.
You're
OCD
welcome.
has been satisfied. I wasn't saying thank you to you, but
I was
like,
saying you're welcome from them.
Oh.
You know, because I can feel how much that meant to you.
Thank you.
So from them, you're welcome.
Thank you.
Let's see. Is that sausage?
I'm not.
Is that like a rib sandwich? A sausage sandwich?
How come the inside's like
That looks so real though.
Yeah.
That meat
Looks juicy.
looks like a juicy sausage cut up. on a sandwich, on a bun.
I'm so hungry.
That looks delicious. I almost wish that was just a sausage sandwich.
Yeah, literally.
I want it.
I'd be like, gobble, gobble, gobble. You
Just
know?
like that? Is that how you eat?
Yeah.
Sound
I haven't had my lunch break yet today, so I'm hungry.
Can I watch you eat and make
I'm
that sound?
hungry.
I think you're a little something else too. That's so cute.
That's so cute.
That looks. Oh, look at the little crumbs. It's
Look
the
at the
dirt.
chocolate crumb. Okay, okay. I just don't understand why they made such a solitary, like, lonely leaf, like stem.
Like it could have been a bigger plant.
Yeah, like make it a flower. At least put 3 in if you're gonna, you know.
But like, you're not impressed by this dirt? That like blew my mind.
I'm impressed, but also I watch a lot of cooking shows.
Oreo crumbs.
True.
That's what that was.
Oreo crumbs,
Yeah.
or like just chocolate brittle, you know.
Yeah, Oreo. Vote Oreo or chocolate brittle. It's Oreo crumbs. I've seen the tricks. I watch cake and shows, you know?
Caking shows. I watch all the caking shows.
You know, all them caking shows out there. No, baking. Clearly, I don't
There's
watch
like a big Canadian Bake Off.
I know.
I
On
watched one
Netflix.
episode. Yes, it's good.
Oh.
Okay, okay.
It's a dessert inside a dessert.
You think it's a lava cake, but it's simply a cake. Wait,
Oh.
wait, is it gonna lava from the inside?
Lava.
It is!
It's a cake, but lava cake, but a cake.
It's Inception. It's
yeah,
Cakeception.
because that's not a bowl. That's not a lava cake. They make you look like it is, but it is. But 3D.
It is a lava cake.
The bowl. That was crazy.
I would have been pissed if it didn't ooze. I was
Yeah.
like, then what is the point? You just missed a golden opportunity, but whatever.
They took it.
Yeah, they took
They
it.
saw their
You
chance
rolled
and they
with
took
it.
it.
Love
You
it.
only get one opportunity.
Yeah.
You better seize the moment before. What are the lyrics?
But I don't know.
That's it. This
What was it?
opportunity comes once in a lifetime. Yo. Eminem, lose yourself.
I'm lose.
Oh!
What is this? Lose yourself?
You better lose yourself in the moment you want it. Come on.
No, I'm like crack a bottle vibe, you know? Crack a bottle, let your body waddle. Don't act. You know? We just have different vibes.
Oh, yeah. That looks so good just on its own.
Oh my god.
That's so impressive. Like,
that is so good!
I want both though. I want like Chinese food and cake.
Yes! Oh my god. I'm really impressed with the noodles. I honestly really am.
Right? And the
Great job.
sauce on the side of the
Yeah.
container. God, 10 out of 10.
Pristine.
Look at the gloss on the bag.
How did
Shiny.
they get it so accurate? Like the logo,
Unreal.
the everything.
Oh, that's so satisfying.
Oh.
I just want to bite
And then, like,
so
it
bad.
cut nicely. You know, the texture and like moisture of this cake is good.
They killed it.
Yeah.
All the lettering on that is to a T.
To a T.
Doritos need to hire them, I swear.
Brilliance.
Is that cake too? Is that cake?
No!
Is that all cake? Every part?
Is the whole thing cake?
I think it's all cake because the lady was just like very like slowly. I think that is
my
all
God.
cake.
Dude, my birthday's in 3 weeks. If someone gets me a cake iPhone, I will throw it in their face.
Oh.
Best be a real iPhone,
Oh, you want a real? I thought you were. What? You don't? I would be impressed with just this.
I would be impressed, but like I already have the birthday cake. I don't need an iPhone cake. Just get me a real iPhone.
Yeah, like I would just rather take an iPhone and like a $5 Walmart cake. I'm impressed. That's crazy. That had
It is, it
dimensions. That had you had to
Yeah.
like. There was like a.
I'm surprised
show.
the box didn't fall apart when she was lifting it up, or he. We don't know.
Professional, you know. The real MVP is right there. This one's for you, Eamon. That is good.
It looks like
Look at the texture on the
Yeah, it's
roll.
very textured, and, like-
the cardboard on the inside.
it's very well done, but like it's really bad if someone picks it up thinking it is toilet paper. What if they wipe their ass with it?
Well, do you take the roll and wipe your butt?
I mean, some people are psychotic.
Okay, well, I won't be having them at my house.
Just humor me, you know? What if it happens?
It could. It could. Or I would go as far as saying they would try to like rip
Yeah.
a piece.
And
Probably
then
not
they'd
pick it up and be
realize.
like, but
Some people just want to watch the world burn. What can I say?
I don't know what friends you got, Eamon, but I don't want to be at your birthday party.
Well, too bad. You have to come.
Fine, but I'm not buying you the iPhone. I'll get you the cake.
Okay, fine. Deal.
Oh,
Gotta love some avocado.
yes. I feel like this would be the best thing for a vegan.
But it's not gonna be a vegan cake though.
Well, you could make it out of
Oh,
vegan.
you could. Oh, it looks like a sort of like an ice cream. Oh no, is it ice cream? No, it's just cake.
I don't know, but even the outside,
Ooh,
both
that
sides.
looks good. Okay, that's very good. However, you could have painted the avocado more realistically, in my humble opinion.
Really? I feel like the outside looks mint. Although, the little pit does not have white in it. What is the white ring around it? That's not an avocado.
That's not an avocado.
Minor details.
Yeah, just
still impressed. Who are we to judge?
Yeah, literally can't
We
create
can't even make
anything
grilled
like that.
cheese probably.
Yeah.
Actually, I'm a very good cook. Baking.
I'm not.
Oh.
I'm good at following instructions.
So you know how to paint this avocado.
Yeah.
Oh, that's impressive. Oh, I don't like watching that. Oh,
I don't like that.
oh.
No. Okay, wait. Okay. First of all, very well done. I thought that was a person's hand.
I'm so.
That, you know, they were just like cutting. Oh my god.
Like me almost throwing up has nothing to do with your talent. Like that's impeccable.
That's phenomenal.
But it's so real that it makes me want to throw
Yeah.
up. Like that gave me like literally my neck just like.
The first one where like they cut the finger portion, like that.
And then like how
rubbed
they
me.
picked it up like it was like
Yeah.
had weight to it. Like
It rubbed me a type of way. But the tattoos, like God knows how long you spent doing all that. Like that's very good.
and you see how the man put tattoo or it's real on his
Yeah.
hand, so it looked like that was his hand.
Yeah.
I'm so impressed, but like
Brilliant.
I wouldn't eat this. I really don't think I'd eat this.
Oh yeah, I wouldn't. Maybe I'd just eat a finger, just like for fun.
Just say you ate a finger?
Yeah.
Those cakes were crazy, you guys, but stick around because the bloopers are coming right now and we have bonus content. I've been Joss Bernard.
I've been Eamon Hassan. We'll catch you next time.
Bye. What's got?
Oh, now. Oh, I thought you wanted me
right
for
now.
like later on. Okay. Woohoo.
And then we continue. What was that?
Look how
It
much.
looks like a chicken.
Look how much movement in my neck. You know.
Why?
Why not?
But mine can't.
Try it. You just.
Oh, I cracked it. It literally went.
Well, clearly I do this quite frequently, so it's just not a thing for me.
Oh, that hurts. That's a painful experience.
Oopsies.
She high.
I'm hyper.
No, hi.
Not during the day. Never during the day. Only on weekends.
Don't show your mom.
Yeah, don't, mother. Let's not watch this. You know, someone in the comment asked me like how I can fart a bit, and I was like, it's very easy to fart a little bit.
Yeah, you just squeeze.
And just like, boop.
You let it boop and then clench. Right?
Yes.
I was waiting for you to confirm that.
No, it is.
So that we both
100%
do the same
confirmed.
technique.
No, yeah,
Okay.
we do have the same farting technique.
I just let it all out.
You heard it, producer Chris just lets it all out. He doesn't do the and
Yeah.
clench. The pop and clench.
So one of you guys let it all out. Oh, yeah,
I've never farted on set.
I've not farted.
Ever.
Have I? I probably
Yet you farted on me.
Every time I laugh in this video, I've had to hold it in. I don't know why.
Rosemary Key says, I love Eamon. She looks so angelic, but she's a devil.
What makes you say that? Actually, that's 100% true.
No way!
I'm a bit of both. What, do you think I'm an angel or
You're
a
the
devil?
sweetest thing ever.
Oh, thanks!
Like you're nuts and you fart a lot, but you're so sweet.
I'm just a little bean.
Like you're a ray of sunshine.
I try and be a devil, I'm just not. Raphael Silla says, you ladies just made my day. I love it when Joss and Eamon teams up to a funny video similar to these. Always a good laugh.
Aww.
That's so cute.
We have so much fun.
Yeah, we actually do.
I like love when I film with Eamon. I'm like, yes. I get so excited all day. I'm like,
It's like a break. It's like a break from work for
Yeah.
the day, even though it's still work.
it's like a
not.
hangout. Because
Yeah.
this is what we talk about
It's what
on
we
our
do.
free time. Farting. Gareth Manchester says, this channel just brightens my day. Thanks. I need your laughter.
Aww.
This world needs a lot of laughter right now. For
I'm
real.
so glad we brightened your day.
I
That
know.
comment just brightened our day.
Facts.
Thank you. Kristen Ibrahim says, when are we seeing you on this one, Joss? Lol.
Drunk girl film?
Yeah.
At Eamon's birthday.
I've actually never seen Joss drunk. I think you're quite responsible.
I am, and it's funny because like even Lucy, I get drunk with Lucy, she's like, you're drunk right now? I'm like, yeah, and she goes, you're so composed. However, Back in my day. Back in my day, I was passed out on curbs. I'm not even lying, guys. Like on the side of the streets, passed out in a dress. I'm not kidding. I was out.
Okay, are you one of those people that are very drunk but look composed, but inside you're actually dying?
Oh, 100%.
Oh, I see.
I'm so like can keep my cool, but inside I'm like the room's spinning. I'm gonna throw up, and I'll go and puke in private.
The room's on fire. I'm fine.
Mila Moshin says Joss is going to be a fitness competitor in a few years.
Would you ever do it?
No.
Why?
Because I know a lot of people who have, like a lot of
Yeah.
friends and stuff, and it's too grueling for me. I have no interest. It's a very difficult and
I've heard.
completely different lifestyle. Like to me, I feel like I'd personally be miserable.
Yeah.
It's very difficult. I give props to the people who do it. Not for me, I just like fitness.
Last one, this was from Melanie Spore who says, oh, Eamon, please say idiots again, so stinking cute. They are though, when someone just like, idiots! Like, that's like my inner monologue and my outer monologue. Some people just need it.
I always say, oh, you bloody idiot.
Bloody idiots!
Bloody idiots.
Yeah, my friends get that a lot. Unlucky for them.